Today I'm unboxing this upgraded 2K aquarium and terrarium fish camera, pet camera. It's designed specifically for monitoring fish, reptiles, amphibians, and other pets that live in glass enclosures. So I just wanted to show you what's in the box as I am taking it apart. Okay, so the installation for this is going to be pretty simple. It has a clamp on it right here, which as you can see, you can loosen it, or you can make it tighter right in here. Okay, so that will clamp right on to your fish tank like this, whichever spot you want to put it in. As you can see here, this is where you're going to plug in the cord from the camera. Okay, so the cord comes right with it. You will plug it in there, and then you will obviously attach, as you can see, is attached to the camera on the other end. So once you get that clamped on, here's where your camera will attach to the glass of the tank. Okay, now it does come with these sticky patches that you will use. You'll put that actually on the front of the camera, and that's how you get the camera to stick to the glass. Okay, it's made to be the perfect size, as you can see around there. So I'll show you just a little bit more about the device here, but it comes with everything that you need. It supports different Wi-Fi connections. You can see here is where you put the food in to fill so that you can feed the fish as well. It's really such an incredible design that they have for this. And then I'm going to show you next here, it does come with the manual, the QR code. There's an app that you will install, and it will be connected to the camera so that you can actually watch your animals inside of the aquarium. So a really great product here. That seems like a great solution for anyone that enjoys keeping their fish, reptiles, amphibians, or other enclosure pets and want a dedicated camera for it.